So this is what I'm doing right now today for fun. I am on one of these city bikes in Fort Lauderdale, and I am on my way to the beach. That's where I'm gonna ride this thing to. It's not that far, probably like 10 minutes. Yo, imagine I just rode this fucking bike right off the bridge. There's a bridge right here, but it's like there's no rail. Anyways, so we're riding and we riding and we riding and riding. I also need to get some. I want to go get some bananas. Oh my god, this is too small to ride over here. I want to get some bananas, and I also want to get, oh, excuse me. I also want to get some stuff for my protein shake. Yo, where can I ride this? There's not enough space for this bike right now. Maybe I'll ride it this way. I don't know. It seems about the safest way to get down here. Hopefully nobody runs me over. My goal is that they'll see me and they won't hit me. I should have worn my bikini, now that I think about it. I'll probably buy one while I'm out here. Just ride around with no clothes on all day, every day. Who gives a fuck? Alright. Damn, I should also put some sunscreen on since the sun is starting to beam out here. Hi. Thank you. I'm probably wondering, who is this little black girl on this bike? Me. Yeah, I'm about to go put a bikini on. Probably take some pictures. I woke up today and I was like, you know what? We're getting on this fucking bike. We're going to go get some drink for our protein shake. Then I'm going to go get a bunch of bananas. And here I am. Oh my god, please don't hit me. Like, what happened to the bike lane? Does that not exist anymore? Do they not want people to save the earth and the planet? Just want everybody in fucking electric cars and gasoline killing us all? This is what they want. Yeah, you know what? Let me go put a bikini on. No clothes on, like I'm in Tulum or some shit. So, I'm gonna get... Oh, I wonder if this vegan spot is open. What time is it? They open so late. Alright, so I'm on the strip of Las Olas, and it honestly just a little bit reminds me of Bloomfield Avenue in New Jersey, Montclair, New Jersey. It kind of is like that. It has all of these boutique shops, and it's really pretty. The only thing is it's always fucking hot. There's so many older people out here with like sugar babies. It's crazy. car is crazy. The car goes nuts. Thank you. Anyways, you all shaking your head at me. This dude on the motorcycle all shaking his head at me coming down the road. First of all, you have the red light, piece of shit. What the fuck is wrong with people, yo? Just selfish. Shaking his head at me as if I'm in the wrong. What the fuck is wrong with you? Shaking your head. Motherfucker, I'm on a bike. I'm on a two-wheel bike. You are on a motorcycle. And I'm a pedestrian, basically. So what the fuck you gonna do? Hit me on your motorcycle? The fuck is a red light? You in the wrong, you dumbass. Fucking morons. Look at this shit, dangerous. Thank you. Oh my god. Okay. Alright, so I'm riding it to the... Oh, I just saw them. I just saw you guys. Hi. So, yeah. Almost there. We're getting there. We're getting closer and closer. Oh my god. Holy shit. I hope she's paying attention. Please watch out, baby girl. This is a dangerous road, kind of. Oh, excuse me. How do you put the beeper on this? Definitely gonna go buy Bikini Top. Ew. Slide from left to right, but now I don't want to dance. So I was not. Oh, thank you. So I was not planning on living. I was not planning on living in Florida as long as I have. I've been here for almost 3 years now. Fully. And I like it, but I feel like I need something else. I want to do more. I just want to do a lot more traveling than I have been. So that's something I'm going to work on getting right. So I have a ton of clothes and things that I need to put into storage so I can start my journey. Hopefully this person is not going to hit me. Yeah. today and I was like, I'm not doing anything else. I'm just hopping on my bike, putting my glasses on, and we're just gonna go today. I'm not doing my makeup. I'm not getting cute. I'm not getting dolled up for anybody. I'm just not doing it. Don't feel like it. I was thinking about moving back to LA for a little bit, seeing how that life will be again. I lived in LA for a little bit, but maybe I'll live there longer. I don't know. Thinking about it. It's a thing. Oopsies. So yeah, my next thing is, what I'm going to do is pack up all of the things that I have in Florida, put them in the storage unit most likely, or sell a lot of the stuff that I have like I did when I at my other place. Yeah, how the hell are you supposed to ride your bike on this or in here? I wonder if this is a thing. Excuse me, thank you. Oh yeah, this is so dangerous. Actually, I think I'm supposed to be on the street doing this. Hopefully, I don't hit any of these guys. Thank you so much. They were kind. Some people are nice and kind. And then there are other people who aren't so nice and kind. Excuse me. See, he didn't make a big fuss out of it either. Time is it? I just realized it's so early. I am up so early on this thing right now. But I gotta get me some bananas. Banana. Also, I don't know if I told you guys, but I stopped drinking. Like, I'm gonna say I stopped drinking hard alcohol. Like, I think I've already said this, but I'll say it again. I completely stopped. Yeah, I don't see the benefit of it, honestly. Like, I'm already crazy enough sober. I don't need anything taking me off the edge anymore. When I was younger, it was a lot of fun, but oh, he's not paying attention. Hello, look. Could have hit me. Boom, you could have killed me. Yeah, so, I don't drink. And I don't like being around large groups of drunk people. Because bad things happen when people are out of their mind. Oh, look how pretty that looks over there. So, I've learned that I don't enjoy it. You cannot ride your bike on this thing. That's not going to work like that. Oh, I wonder if they have gluten-free ice cream in here.